Hey guys, welcome back, and today we got a good one for you. How to change tracks on your mini skid steer. It's quite easy, but if you don't know, you don't know. So you're gonna need a few things. First, a jack. Second, a ratchet with the correct socket size for your grease fitting there. And then you're also gonna need your favorite flavor of grease. Personally, I go for cherry. It's up to you though. And yeah, we'll hop right into it. So Michael, what are we doing here? Well, first we got to get it up in the air. So in our scenario, we have a brake we have to drive onto first. So we'll do that quickly. Right up and on. Next, you're going to want to use your bucket up front there. Lift that front end up. Then you can take your jack. Get it underneath like so. Pumps to get it up in the air. Make sure it's nice and rickety, and you're good to go.
All right, so what's next?
Next, take your socket for your grease fit in there. Get it on there. Oh yeah. And just crank that all the way out, because that grease needs to come out of there for the tensioner to loosen up. Like that. All right, next you're gonna want to start up your machine. Get that going. And then carefully pull up, spin backwards. Make sure not to munch your hand. And she's off. So putting on the new tracks, it's a little bit tougher just because they're so much stiffer than your old tracks. So I got Garrett, he's gonna man the wheel so I can use both my hands to get this track on. So basically what you're gonna wanna do is hook the back side of your tracks onto the cog, and then slowly you'll drive it forward. I'll make sure to push it on and let it not slip off in the same time. So hopefully you guys can sort of see how this works. Should be good. All right, so like that, we're done. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is just put your grease fitting right back into the, here. A little quick rag. Wipe away all that grease, and then it just threads right on back in. Once that's tight, grab your cherry flavored grease, pump it full. Like that, you got a new track, or sort of same idea for if your track falls off. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.